Children, we are doing chapter 5, The Way the World Looks. So children, in this chapter we will study about the top view, side view, and second part we will study about park behind Gappu's house. Now children, these are two different views of the same ball. This is top view and this is bottom view. In which photo are the balls upside down? Now you see in the second photo the balls are upside down. Second photo we are seeing balls are upside down. Look at the side view in the photo 3 to find the answer. This is the side view of the ball. Now draw lines to match the side view with the two top view of a pipe and a funnel. Now this is a pipe and this is a funnel. Now you see we will match top view and side view. Now children, this is the top view of funnel and this is side view of funnel. This is top view of pipe and side view of a pipe. Now children, try to draw pictures of a shoe from the side, top, front, etc. Now you will draw a picture of shoes. Side view, top view, front view. I will show the picture. See the picture. This is side view, this is front view, this is top view, and this is also a side view. So you will draw these pictures in your notebook. See properly. Now children, the park behind Gappu's house. Now we have studied this story of Gappu and we saw this park behind Gappu's house. You have remembered it. Now here is a bigger picture of that park. Look at it carefully and answer the questions. Now first we will observe this park and we see what things are there. Sweet shop is there, basketball court is there, green benches are there, seesaw is there, and a flower bed is also there. Yellow benches also there in this park. Now 4 gates are there, A, B, C and D, and Gappu house is also there. Now first question is, mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. Now first we will see the sweet shop. Now this is sweet shop. Now which gates are near to the sweet shop? Gate A and gate B. So which gate is near to the sweet shop? You see gate A is near to the sweet shop. Which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Now this is Gappu's house and gate C, gate D and gate B are there. So gate C is near to Gappu's house. Now if you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your now left side, right side or front side. Now we will see. First we will enter this side and this side is left side, that side is right side and front side. So when we are entering from gate B, it is on the left side. These green benches are on the left side of the park. Now when Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? Now we will see where is the flower bed. First we will see the flower bed. See, it has to be on the right side when she entered the gate. Now first we will see the flower bed. See, this is the flower bed. And now first we will see if she is entering from gate A. So first she is entering from gate A. Gate A. Gate A. So flower bed is on her left side and basketball court is on her right side. So she is not entering from this gate. She is not entering. Now we will see from gate D. Now let's see grade D. Now flower bed is on her right side and seesaw is on her left side. So she is entering from gate D, and that is why flower bed is on her right side. Now which of these is nearest to you if you enter from gate C? If we enter from gate C, which is near to him? Now basketball court, flower bed, green bench or seesaw. When we enter from gate C, seesaw is nearest to us. Seesaw, this is seesaw, this is nearest to us. Now children, I think so you have understood it. Now I will tell you the directions. I will tell you the directions. 4 directions are there: north, south, east, west. Now when sun rises in the morning, you face the sun. You face the sun, and that is your east side. First you are standing and facing the sun, and that is your east side, and back of you is your west side. Back of you is your west side, and left hand, on the left hand is your north side, and right hand side is your south side. First, east side is when you are facing the sun, that is your east side, and back of you west side, and left hand side is your north side, and right hand side is your south side. Now you know the directions. So children, thank you very much.